In this video, you'll be shown the steps on how to correctly use the Polymarine inflatable boat cleaning and finish kit in order to help your boat look the best it can be. Within this kit, you will find the inflatable boat cleaner with an attachable spray trigger and the inflatable boat finish. Additionally, the kit will also come with a sponge and 2 cloths as well as an inflatable boat polish for any RIB and GRP components. Firstly, begin by wetting the surface of the boat to be cleaned using the sponge provided. Once complete, spray on the cleaner, only working on one area of the boat at a time, allowing 1 minute for it to dissolve any dirt, oxidation, grease, oil and petrol. Then scrub the boat using a cloth provided in the kit. You may also want to use a brush in the areas where you feel necessary. Immediately rinse down the boat with water to remove the cleaner. You should repeat all the previous stages for each area of the boat before applying the finish. Finally, using one of the soft dry cloths provided, apply the finish to the surface of the boat and leave it to dry. This shouldn't take more than a few minutes, then you may apply the second coat. Note, do not use the finish on hot surfaces as this will cause it to dry too quickly. Now, your boat will have transformed from looking like this to this. For any more information, see the leaflet that has come included with the kit.